coming up. So that's important, and hopefully that will continue to be the situation. But as we kind of move down here, some of the other homes that are on stilts just have debris under them. The kayaks underneath and kind of get
It's getting heavy.
the street is, but there's debris, of course, in the middle of that. Now remember, there's only one way in to Cedar Keys. That's 50 miles or so southwest of Gainesville.
This is 7
Probably goes for about 10 miles in.
7 feet of water. But we think we're gonna miss it. But get very wet today. It is a bit rainy here. But nothing us Brits aren't used to. So that is good.
Well, we're on our way into Magic Kingdom. It's 10 past 10, so we've had a little bit of a chill morning. It's going to be rainy on and off today due to the weather conditions around us. So we're heading into Magic Kingdom and doing a few of our favourites, Tron, etc. And then we are heading over to Epcot later.
For Space 220, which is a new...
Space 220, which is a new restaurant. And I'm going to buy a cap as soon as I walk through those doors.
Cambridge and Evan are living the dream.
I can expend energy and not be sweaty then. Look.
This is Cambridge's ideal weather conditions for Disney.
This is what past me gone, I don't care if I get checked today.
He says he's warm, but he's also cool.
What have you got in your rucksack?
I've got my sliders in there.
Let's go through security. Oh, it's just starting to rain again.
Oh, it is.
How are you feeling? A bit wet? How was Tron?
It's the best ride in the world.
In the world? Over Guardians?
Way over Guardians.
It's a bold statement from Cambridge Kisby.
Really? So now you have to compare it. So the front is better than Guardians, but what are your chances of getting on the front every time? Whereas Guardians is good wherever you sit.
Lovely.
At Starbucks.
At Starbucks.
Got a latte.
Was that in?
Got a latte.
Lovely day in the rain. Hasn't really stopped us. Everywhere we've been has been reasonably quiet. But you wouldn't really know there'd been a hurricane blowing past from any other day. So that's that. So we went to Magic Kingdom this morning, and then we transferred to here, which is Epcot. We've done a few rides, and we've been fooding around the countries, which has been fun.
So we are in space 220 and we have our boarding pass. Are you ready to go to
Hello.
space? What's that, Mum?
This is our boarding pass for 220 Lounge.
Because we're going actually to space.
So we're going to space for a quick drink. And then, yeah, we'll be heading out the park so the boys can get their wham pizza to eat in the room.
This might be it. What?